148290. Yep.
Clean separation, that's what you want. They were programmed to stay on the animal for 2 years, and they have a drop-off mechanism built into them. So when that timer rolls over, they fire a little charge and it comes right off the animal.
It's pretty nice when you get to do this because you know there's still pronghorn out there. You know, we're not coming and investigating a mortality. So that's a plus. Right now in northern Hudspeth, we have data for about approximately 60 animals that we're looking at their different habitat selections.
We're keeping an eye on their survival, keeping track of how long they're living and how well they're making a living, but also what kind of habitats they're using and where they go.
It's probably one of the most prestigious grasslands that we have in West Texas in the Trans-Pecos. It's been our stronghold for pronghorn populations for hundreds of years. By having these animals collared, we're able to track some of the potential barriers.
What's that buck in the back look like?
Pretty decent.
That's a good place for us to walk out because we can see what he's chomping on.
What he's eating.
Here's one of this year's flowers right here, and that buck that's standing right over there, he came by and just...
They really like to eat forbs, or what we consider weeds. So everything that you see out there that has a flower, they're gonna eat it.
It's like pronghorn super greens.
Brush hasn't been a big issue till probably in the past 15 to 20 years now. We're starting to see brush encroachment coming from the east and slowly moving up to some of these grasslands. Creosote bush is a native species found in the Chihuahuan Desert. It's really not real palatable. There's not animals that consume the plant, and also it sterilizes the ground around it. We're facing a lot of areas where creosote is encroaching and it's becoming a really invasive species, prohibiting a lot of grass growth or forb growth, which is real crucial for our pronghorn. We really ramped up our efforts in Hudspeth County, where we were treating close to about 8,000 acres a year, treating creosote and tarbush to try to promote grassland restoration. We're up to about 36,000 acres of treated areas that we're trying to just have more grassland.
It works. There's absolutely no doubt about it. We're maybe 10, 15 years ahead of our neighbors as far as getting the creosote killed off and seeing the grasslands return. The success story that we've had here with the pronghorn are going to be seen next door on our neighbors' ranches also.
So right now, where we're at, this is an area 4 years post-treatment after we did the spike work. So as we can see, there's already really good grass response. Like right here, this is one of our blue grama grasses. Those are some of the grasses you want to see. They start covering up more of your open space and start really working to infiltrate the water into the soil. Two of them. Oh my God. Now this is what we do. It's just a blessing when you see babies on the ground. If we don't have babies, we don't have fawns, our populations are gonna continue on a decline. Everything we do for pronghorn, all these efforts that we're putting in there, all these years, all this money invested in it, and now you're seeing animals that are utilizing that potential new grassland footprint. That's why we do it.